Rolex has always been the nature of the sea watch. What do I mean? Well, they've always been the Oyster cases because they are water resistant. Now, the Cellinis are just a little bit different. They're not considered waterborne cases, but both of these have mother of pearl dials, something from the ocean. And as you can see, of course, they complement the colors of the ocean very well. These are two different watches entirely. This is a Cellini with a mother of pearl dial. It's very thin. It's the 36 millimeter. It's a gorgeous watch. This watch looks virtually untouched. It's unbelievably gorgeous in white gold. It's in absolutely mint condition. Beyond pristine. Find this watch at SwissWatchExpo.com. Its number is 40081 for the stock number. This is a watch that is just screaming elegance. They don't make them like this anymore, and that mother of pearl is just gorgeous. You see that? Now, look at this. This is a cocktail watch by Rolex that you just absolutely don't see anymore. It's got the little mother of pearl dial. It's gorgeous. It's a little bit of a pink hue with those diamonds all the way around the outside edge. This watch was taken very well care of over the years. This one's $11,990. It's also white gold. Stock number is 30401. The strap is in amazing condition. One of the things that I do want to take note of is look at the diamonds that are not only on the buckle itself, but also on the tongue. There's just nothing forgotten about this watch. Both of these complement each other, in my opinion. Just beautiful. Find them at SwissWatchExpo.com.